Hi, this is Dr. Dara Vikram, Professor in CSE, regular, KL deemed to be University. Today, I am going to teach the topic discourse in natural language processing. Actually, here we have discourse, within that reference, solution and phenomena, syntactic and semantic constraints on coreference, pronoun resolution algorithm, text coherence, discourse structure. So here, what is the specific meaning of natural language processing? It's a well-known and very important and the trending, blooming area in the nowadays emerging technologies. Of course, it's a branch of artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science. Here, moreover, the major topic of the artificial intelligence is, and the target of the artificial intelligence is, we are making the systems which will work instead of the human being. So that system, at the creation, we need communication between the user and the machine. So a machine should understand whatever the command has been given by the user as well the creator. So once the commands is to be identified or recognized by the machine, at the beginning we need training. So whatever the language you are using, whatever the alphabet, whatever the words, whatever the sentences, whatever the grammar, everything is to be identified and to be recorded and to be stored. Moreover, this machine should be performs or acts according to the instruction given by the user. That is the main phenomena here. So here, whenever you speak a word, whenever you speak a given command, then a system is to be able to identify and work accordingly. So that is the main target. So in the natural language processing, we are developing a language, any kind of the language, but the machine should understand and work should according to the given instructions. And in this one, we have natural language discourse processing. Here, the major problem is NLP-Discourse processing. Actually, how to deliver, how utterance stick together from coherent discourse. So how you are able to give utterance to the machine is considered here. So here we have coherence between utterances and relation between the entities. So whenever you have given any kind of sentence or instruction, we are able to find the semantics. What is the semantics here? The meaningful sentence. So the meaningful connection between the system, that means the language or the instruction given by the user. So here, coherence relation between utterances means it provides the meaningful connections, and there must be a relation between the entities. So what are the entities? So whenever you given an instruction, the entity level, so it should be connected and it should be maintain the relation to give the utterance of the communication between the user and the machine. So that is the major concept of the coherence. Next, so here this discourse having various kind of applications like information retrieval, text summarization and information extraction. So whenever the discourse structure is well formed and it has been recorded and retrieved will be very useful for the given applications. And you have the segmentation, algorithms for segmentation. What is the segmentation is a part of the sentence is called the segmentation, or a piece of the sentence is called the segmentation. As we know, various algorithms here which are under the supervised and unsupervised, which are the best algorithms for the artificial intelligence. So here unsupervised discourse segmentation, supervised discourse segmentation will give you, whenever there is a database of the sequence of the words or the sentences with a meaningful formation or the framing, which is already trained, comes under the supervised, and which are newly adapting or giving training will comes under the unsupervised discourse segmentation. So next, text coherence. So here there will be a list of sentences, and there will be a lexical repetition. So while we are insisting the number of sentences to the machine, then there will be the sequence of instructions which will have each and every sentence have the meaningful. So like that, here there must be like sentence 1, sentence 2, and so on up to. So here there is a hierarchy of the structure in the making sentences. So we are giving the hierarchical process for each and every sentences, and see, you can see here. So based on the occasion, and these are the sentences 1, 2, 3 and 4, and occasion E1 and E2. So giving the explanation, so this is the hierarchy for sentence 1, and parallel for the this is the explanation and the parallel. So like that, there is a each and every statement or the sentence, there will be the combination of the explanations, and what is the process is going to be there will be explained here. Next, reference resolution. So while interpreting the sentences, and while if you give any meaningful word, then how it is understanding. For example, if you see here, Ram, the manager of ABC Bank, saw his friend Sam at shop. So here some different kind of statements are there, like sentences are there. See, Ram is the manager of ABC Bank, saw his friends at shop. So who saw here? Ram saw his friend at the shop, and he went to meet him, and the linguistic expression like Ram, his, see, these are having no specific meaning, there is no connection between each and every sentences, but we are able to give the reference. Okay, so this is the process of reference resolution. Next, there will be a terminology, a referring expression, referent, corefer, antecedent, anphora and discourse model. So these are all the terminology which is having specific meanings while we are giving the reference solutions. So, and there are some types of the phrases like indefinite noun phrases, definite noun phrases, pronouns, demonstratives and names. So here this is just like a grammar of a language. So if you take any English, we have the prepositions and nouns, verbs, like that. So here a language must have all these kind of the expressions. So here the reference resolution task, there is coreference solution, constraint on coreference solution, pronominal anphora resolution. This gives you how the meaningful sentences will be given to a machine for understanding. So, like this we are using the discourse procedures. So, here we have terminal questions like this, and these are all the terminal questions, self assessment questions, and reference books and web links. Thank you.